Packetworks full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Packetworks is a networking solutions provider specializing in delivering customized, high-performance network infrastructure tailored to meet the diverse needs of businesses across various industries. Their comprehensive suite of services includes network design, implementation, monitoring, and maintenance, ensuring seamless connectivity and optimal performance. Packetworks offers scalable solutions that can be adapted to both small enterprises and large organizations, emphasizing reliability, security, and efficiency. Their expertise encompasses fiber optic installations, wireless networks, and advanced cybersecurity measures, providing clients with robust and future-proof networking environments. Designed for businesses seeking tailored networking solutions, Packetworks caters to industries such as education, healthcare, manufacturing, and municipal sectors, where reliable and secure communication networks are critical. Among its strengths, Packetworks boasts a team of experienced professionals who deliver personalized service and customized solutions, ensuring that each client's unique requirements are met with precision. Their commitment to utilizing cutting-edge technology and staying abreast of industry advancements positions them as a forward-thinking partner in network infrastructure development. However, there are certain weaknesses to consider. As a specialized provider, Packetworks may have a more limited geographic reach compared to larger global networking companies, potentially impacting service availability in certain regions. Additionally, their focus on customized solutions might result in higher costs and longer implementation times compared to off-the-shelf networking products, which could be a consideration for businesses with limited budgets or tight timelines. In summary, Packetworks offers a compelling choice for organizations seeking tailored, high-performance networking solutions backed by personalized service and technical expertise. While their specialized approach presents certain limitations, particularly regarding geographic reach and potential cost implications, the quality and customization of their services make them a strong contender for businesses where reliable and secure network infrastructure is paramount.